the 110th anniversary of EICMA in 2024, and this is the Husqvarna booth. We want to give you an exclusive insight and a couple of details on all of our highlight bikes. Let's take a look.
Very beautiful.
It's more dynamic, it's young, it's nice.
And that caught my eye instantly as soon as I came to the stand. And I'm a big fan of Svartbillen and Dittbillen. I think they are unique enough without customization, but once you do something like that, I hope that will be in production.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. Yeah, I think you've done a great job, and I think we should make it. It's caught my eye.
Wow, it's just super cool because next time I have to ride that bike.